Hey, good-looking people. So, if you want to whip up some killer orange sauce, I've got the recipe for you in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, okay? All right, let's get started. Grab a pot and toss in some sugar. Ground ginger, orange juice, soy sauce, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder. Give it a good stir and heat it up over medium heat until it starts to bubble, yeah? Just keep stirring it every now and then so it doesn't stick. While that's going, let's whip up your cornstarch slurry. Just mix that up and set it aside for a sec. Once your sauce is bubbling like crazy, toss that slurry in there. Keep cooking it over medium heat for about 5 minutes while it's still boiling. And bam, you've got yourself some tasty orange sauce. Now, once your sauce is done, it'll thicken up as it cools down. So let's move on to the chicken. Before you dive in, if you're not using a deep fryer, make sure to add enough oil to a pot to cover your chicken. Heat it up over medium until it hits 350 degrees. Don't crank it up too high or you'll burn your oil and zoom. Past that 350 mark, okay? So what we're making here is basically fried popcorn chicken, drizzled in that awesome sauce you just made. The big twist is you'll use a cup for cup mix of cornstarch and flour for your dredging station. I like to add some ground ginger, salt, and pepper to taste in both my flour and egg mixtures. You'll want to use boneless, skinless thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Soak them in your liquid for a few minutes first. Then roll them in your flour mix and drop them into that hot oil. They'll take about 5-7 minutes to cook, depending on how big you cut them. Once they're golden, let them chill on a cooling rack for a minute. Then toss those chicken pieces in a bowl with your orange sauce. I love serving this up with white rice and broccoli. And don't forget to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Enjoy making this dish, guys! It's super quick, and you can even make the sauce ahead of time and freeze it. Got any questions, comments, or just want to chat? Drop them below and keep an eye out for the next video!